just wrote this modulation. Only practiced it a couple times. We'll see how it goes. Nope. Feel me, is my temperature high? Do I make you wanna step outside? I might have a fever, but I've been immunized. So if you wanna boogie, I can probably apply it. Ooh, I can wear a mask if need be. I just want out to my knees. It's been a long couple years. Is it too much to look past a sneeze? Not bad. We'll see what it sounds like.